In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the Kinetic FX Scalper on my Fort Financial Services account for months. And zounds, it's scalped with plus 10.49% gains like a parodic precision predator. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that engines velocity without the vapors, and after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Kinetic FX Scalper, virtuoso of verve. The zip folder for the Kinetic FX Scalper disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract. Here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Kinetic FX Scalper to XAUUSD's M5 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLS, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse my FX book as one might a scandal sheet, and there the Kinetic FX Scalper parades its plus 10.49%. Absolute gain escapade on Fort Financial Services, ballooning a $953 deposit into $1,052.98 balance, with $9.98 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.00% chuckles, monthly 2.26% guffaws, equity curve of bemused ascent lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners comfortably above the 60% benchmark for scalpers that ride institutional flows. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the Kinetic FX Scalper's built-in kinetic velocity engine, XAUUSD optimization, stealth trade management, and kinetic trailing stop that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips positive overall. That's the kind of edge that compounds reliably without overtrading. Drawdowns only 6.24% absolute. So even in choppy sessions, equity stays calm, risk of ruin negligible, profit factor healthy, and covers everything nicely. For every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions, minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold times reasonable for M5 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph barely dipping. It's not flashy fireworks, but it's thriving boldly, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of glued to charts. If you're after a bot that delivers explosive short-term gains with disciplined risk on majors, this Kinetic FX Scalper is the real deal hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Kinetic FX Scalper on MT4 with ticks from recent data and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $175.15. Gross profits edging out losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced. Win rate strong overall, average trade positive with max drawdown low. Steady performance, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Kinetic FX Scalper has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Kinetic FX Scalper strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks!